Hi, in this section, we are going to create this model, whatever you are seeing over here. So by seeing the model, so we can get it that one. The thing is, we are going to create this particular portion, what we are seeing over here as a section view. And then we are going to revolve it complete 360 degree. And then we are going to make some cutouts. So to get the final shape. So first, what we are going to do is we are going to open a new file. So go to start and click on part design. Then give a specific name for it. As we have seen already, so we are going to create this particular sketch. So open a particular plane. So then click on sketch option. So then place center line over here for reference purposes and keep it in standard element and place it on the origin. So both horizontal and vertical we will place it together. So once it has been placed, so we have to develop the shape over there. So create the sketch for it. So now we need to connect with arcs or a circle. So create those things. So let us go for 3-point arc and we will push in one over here and another over here. So we'll make one arc. So then one more exactly on the same endpoint like that we need to create it. Or you can use a offset command also. Anything is fine. So first let us give the constraints one by one and then we will specify all the dimension. Then this particular portion, it is 15 mm diameter, so that means from the center it is going to be 7.5. So then they have given the thickness as well, it's 3 mm, so mention it. So then the height is also 3 mm, let's give that also. So then this width, whatever they have given already, it is taking parallel constraint, so let us give only the dimension 2 mm, and this is diameter 37, so we'll mention that also, 37 by 2. So next we need to make this as you can notice the height they have given, so 27 and this width is 30 and then outer diameter or width is 37. Okay, so I think this is 37. So we'll try to connect, or we will keep that also. So before that we will bring this down a little and then we will mention the constraint coincident like that. As you can notice, the inner diameter is 37, so we'll mention that. And before that we will make this center, whatever the circles we have created or arcs we have created, it is taking coincident exactly on the center point. So then mention your radius or diameter, the inner one. So we'll mention the diameter, that is 37. So then as you can notice, it is touching that edge over here. We'll make that also. So then give the height as total height is 24. So select the line, make a right click. So click on vertical, measure distance. So then mention the height. So then mention this edge what we are having, it is connecting exactly at a distance of 15 mm. So 30 is the total distance, but 15 is the arc length. So once that everything given, so we need to make sure some other constraints also. So there is no center distance has been marked here. So we'll keep the center distance. So as same like 37 whatever it is there, we'll keep that as the center. So once everything done, it is fully constrained now. So now you can click on exit. So then go for shaft option and then choose your center axis. So that is your axis over there. With respect to that, we are going to rotate this part. So complete 360 degree, make it. So once it is created, we need to make a cutout over here. So the shape has to be coming like that. So go for a side view and then click on sketch option. So then make the cuts. As you can notice, the shape we require is it need to be look like that. So we have the edges. So first what we need to do is we need to project it. So click on project shell out edges and then select the cone. So automatically develop the lines. So we need to remove this extras. So for that, try to create lines over there. And the lines whatever we are making, it need to be collinear with respect to the new. So let us make this both and we will make it coincident. So then the outside we need to remove. So outside you can make any shape, so it doesn't matter. So the same thing we require on the opposite side. So let us just select this and I'll click on mirror option. I'll choose the center. So then click on exit, then do a normal pocket here. So you can choose up to last on both the direction. Okay, I think we forgot one thing, the angle has been mentioned over there. Let us give that angle. So I think we don't need this dimension. So go for constraint and mention that angle, that is 80 degree. So once the angle is given, now you can click on exit. So now make an update. So the material removal is fine, but only one small thing. So the top has to be removed perfectly. So let us go back. Let us just increase the sketch a little bit height, or if you want, you can make it coincident with respect to the top. But anything is fine. You can click on exit now. So then make an update again. So automatically the material removal has been takes place. So exactly we created over here. So just so simple, just to one revolve we need to do it, that is shaft option, and we need to make a pocket. So I'll attach the drawing, the PDF and the model in the description. If you have any doubt, comment below.